Hello, look at this beautiful worn down tire. Don't worry, in this video I'm gonna change it. This is just an image to remind you how was it before I changed it. And now that I have the new tire, the only reasonable way to carry it to the tire shop, it will be like this, around my waist. I feel like a child at the seaside playing in the water with the donut, the inflatable donut around my waist. The tire shop that I'm going to today, I've used it in the past, and so far it's been good. And so here we are. So out with the old and in with the new. Gorgeous. And so after the tire changed, a well-deserved bath. Enjoy. Now that it's clean, let's go to the next step. I have decided to take apart the motorcycle and take apart the fuel tank to check the fuel pump, because I'm quite sure it's clogged with impurities and it's causing me power, how do you call them, fluctuations, power fluctuations. And yeah, basically that's it, we can't have that. So if you wanna stick around with me struggling to take apart the fuel tank, and with the solemn wish that I do not spill some gasoline. Nice and easy. Okay, I can see the fuel line. You can see I can see a lot of them. Let's start with this one, which should be, yes, it's empty because it's for the gas to escape and water. Actually, I think it's for the water to escape. I have another sensor somewhere here. I can see it. Yes, I took out the entire fuel tank and I cleaned everything. Now it's good. Turns out I was so right. So right. Oh, yeah, I'll get back to the job and see you later. Took out the gasoline. It was like 6 liters. It's okay. I have this. I don't even know what that is. Yeah, I'll clean it up and come back to you. Hopefully I got everything nice and clean. Let's put it back together. So, with everything put back together, hopefully I didn't forget anything, language, words. With only 1 liter, I was too lazy to filter everything. Come on. Almost there. So, the moment of truth. That's my baby. No! Lasso! So, now I'll I'll proceed to do my best to get to the gas station. Hopefully I'll get there without needing to push the bike. So now I'm doing my best to reach the gas station with less than 1 liter. It's another 3 kilometers from here. I think I'll manage. I'm keeping it at lowest of the revolutions as possible, and hope for the best. Trying to stop as less as possible. The indicator of course is blinking that it's low fuel, and if I remember, I'm not sure, because at some point I had this issue, because when I took out the fuel tank at some point, I forgot to plug that socket back in, and but I don't remember if it was blinking like low fuel or it was the entire row of cells scaling up. If I'm that curious, at some point I could try to disconnect it. I will disconnect it and see what it does. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. I spent a lot of time doing this. It's the first time taking out the fuel pump, and I took out the fuel level sensor as well. Made sure that everything is clean. When I remember when I first got the motorcycle, and after I did some maintenance on it and repaired some of the stuff, I used to nickname something because it was so fast and so quick, and I named it Zoom. Like not the bike's name, but like a skill of the bike, you know, like in video games when you have that special attack or something like that, which is called somehow. This I named it Zoom. Like if you blink, I disappeared. Yeah. I know there are faster bikes out there, but I like my bike. And looks like I've reached the gas station with fuel to spare. Me happy. Please don't be dirty. Please don't be dirty. The gas prices, Jesus Christ. It's so expensive, so expensive. I never filled up the tank with so much money. And how better to celebrate than IKEA. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share, and see you in the next video. Bye.